Welcome. Today I'm showing how to unblock phone number into a DOOGEE S98. First of all, open your phone application. Then in the top right corner we got 3 dots. Tap it and choose settings. Here go into block numbers option. And now you can see your blocked numbers. So for unlocking, for example, this one last, choose this number and on the right side click here on the cross. And confirm operation, tapping unblock one more time. And we got success message. So let's try again this number and click here on the right side to cross. And confirm operation, typing unblock. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.